Are you afraid your hybrid won't start? Don't worry, we've got the fixes you need. First up, check the throttle body. Carbon buildup or a faulty throttle body can mess with air intake. Clean it up with throttle cleaner or replace it if necessary. Next, test your 12V battery. If it's weak, your hybrid system won't engage. Charge or replace it to get things moving. Finally, look at the fuel delivery system. Low fuel pressure? Check the pump, filter, and injectors. Replace any faulty parts. After these fixes, reset the codes and try starting your car. Still stuck? Further diagnostics might be needed. Subscribe for more hybrid repair tips.